Hi, welcome back to our social networking app tutorial with React and Spring Boot. In the previous tutorial, we have a front-end implementation for the like, and in this tutorial video, we will make a front-end implementation for the unlike. So it is similar. When we go to the API phase, we will make a REST API call. So we just need to duplicate this and change update unlike. Here will be unlike. So and then we will also change this to unlike. Both of these we will find the post by ID when a user click for the unlike. So here we will change this to match this URL. So let me have this and then paste it here. Okay, so and then we also will change this to unlike. Okay, so this is all we need for the update unlike function in our API file. Okay, so let's save this and we will go to the action. First, before going to the action, we need to go to the action types and add the type for the unlike. So unlike, we change the name to unlike. The same thing here, we change the name to unlike. So we need to access this. Okay, let's go to the action.js, and we will have to just modify this. Okay, we just need to duplicate this function and have some modification. In this case, it will be unlike action, and the post ID here will be unlike. We are passing unlike. Okay, so we will access the unlike from the post type. Okay, we have unlike here. So let's save the changes, and in this we will have arrow updating unlike if in case we have arrow updating unlike. Here we are calling the update likes, making a REST API call. So we use this to update our state with the like, and here we use this API to make a REST API call and update the number of like in the database. So let's go to this. We will update it with 1. So let's go to the reducer file and have the update for the store for our state. Okay, so here in the reducer we will have a action type for the, let's have a case post type action type first dot post type dot unlike. Okay, then here we will return. So first we need to have the copy for the state, which is the state operator, and then the spread operator, and then we need have the value for the post. So to have this, we will map over the post that we have and check the one that is the post ID is equal to the ID. Okay, so when we get this, we will update the value. When we doesn't get it, we will just return the without updating it. So let's check state.post dot map, and then we need a post. Okay, first we check if post dot id is not equal to action dot payload. Our payload is the id. If you remember, if it is not equal to action dot payload, then we chose return the post without touching it. Okay, so in case of if we have the one that match, then here we will return first the copy of the post. We need a copy of the post, and then unlike, we will update the unlike. So post dot unlike +1. Okay, here we update the value in the state, and for this one we are updating the value in the db. Okay, so we finish with this. The next thing we will do is have the function for click, which is creating post reaction component that will handle the click and then displaying the value as it is updating. So let's do this next.